finally make it official and get going.
I'm so grateful too for the opportunity. I mean, I've been following you guys since the get-go, and it's just really cool to see how far you've come already and to see what you guys are doing. And I'm fully expecting this 20K challenge to happen because
it has to happen now. She thinks I can do it. You have no chance. I'm gonna rock it.
Yeah, like you put it out there. You kind of have to do it now.
Yeah. It's going down. All right. We'll talk soon.
All right, sounds good, guys.
All right. See ya.
See ya.
Well said. Haley is one of 2 athletes I've ever spoken to in my life who ever said the word brand identity, and you're the other one.
So, come outside for a second, because it's nice out, and by nice I mean like 40 degrees. So I was just on the phone with Dan and Ryan from Ghost. I don't know if you guys picked up on the last episode or not. That was kind of a surprise. Surprise!
They sold their house for $880 grand and they'll take a closet the next day. And I just thought it was just a waste to be able to go up higher. I had a set piece.
Pegged floors.
Yeah.
Leaving the apartment complex, that was the clip. That was a clip from an apartment complex that I was looking at. I haven't talked about this at all. I haven't shared anything about this. I haven't told Kyle. The only person who knows about this is my brother and my mom. I'm just looking. I didn't even want to say anything to anybody unless I really thought it was going to be a move that I was making. That was what I was doing today. It's the 7th of February, and I have another apartment to go look at, but my mom is meeting me to look at that one because it's not in like an apartment facility necessarily, so she's gonna go with me. At 3 p.m. Ghost is doing episode 4, and I'm 80% positive that the photo that they just posted on Instagram that says "Welcome to the fam" has something to do with me. That's pretty dope, but I gotta go because I'm trying to park my car.
All right. We'll talk soon.
Alright, sounds good, guys.
All right, later. See ya.
Yeah.
All set. I was about to be like, you want a job? Yeah. Hey, CJ? You're fired.
I mean, like, if you guys want to give me a job, like, I'm not gonna argue with you, so. That's pretty cool. I'm going to the gym right now. It is Saturday, the 10th, already past the point of no return because I have already taken my Ghost pre-workout, sour cherry warheads. You guys can use the code Haley to get 20% off. Super excited to be partnering up with them, and being a Ghost ambassador is literally the most exciting thing ever.
Did you say goodbye? Goodbye?
Bye.
Oh, hey, Haley's going to go get her lift on, get her good pump for the day, because she's a great individual.
Can I see that bun? Nice. You need anything from the vitamin shop?
No, but I was coming to ask you for $5. Thank you, though.
You want to do a transition for me at the gym? I've been at the gym for like 3 hours. I don't know what happened. Just, yeah. So it's almost noon, or it is noon. I just got out of my financial planning meeting, which is actually super fun. I don't want to like say his name, but the guy who helps me is awesome. We're like very similar, and he's just like a really cool guy and is very interested in like what I do for a living, and like we always have really good conversation. Anyway, I stopped at Walgreens, picked up some stuff, taking my good old sweet time to get to the gym. I've got a call with Aaron from Ghost today. I guess I'll probably stop my workout midway for that. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. I'm just kind of rambling. Okay, so I'm at the gym. This is like a little training room that they have that they never use. There's like tons of spin bikes. I've got 20 minutes before Aaron calls. Heart rate is going. I'm gonna get like a little bike in. I wasn't supposed to for this training day. I have like another warm up that I'm supposed to do, but I don't wanna get a bunch of equipment out before he calls and have to, it's just a mess. So.
protocols in the gym, event content, you know, as far as here's what expos we're going to be at, here's what you can expect.
Life of a YouTuber. Oh my goodness. 3 hours later, I'm done my workout. I ended up doing like 40 extra minutes of cardio talking to Aaron on the phone, so I can't even complain. PR'd my front squat by 10 pounds. That's always nice. My form is on that PR though, so I'm really not considering it like a solid PR. It's like I have the strength, but my form needs work. I'm starving. It's almost 4:30. I've got packages, not that I just showed you, for a new video that I'm doing, and I'm super excited. So it is Valentine's Day night. I am heading over to Kyle's. We've been seeing each other like every day, which has been nice because of training. I'm being kind of a nerd tonight because I'm bringing a bunch of reading material. So yeah, we're gonna pack up and get to his house. He is perfect. I'm gonna cry. I can't believe you did this. Like, ugh. And it's Ertz. I don't have anything that's Ertz. I know. Oh my gosh. And I was even looking at Ertz shirts the other day and I didn't do it. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Forgot to vlog what I was doing. Deadlift, segmented deadlifts, snatch grip, and segmented snatch pulls. Now I'm gonna add in my own rack pulls because I feel like that'd be a good movement to do. Yep. Safety first.